Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. And the thing is that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow my steps. If not, you really have to do it right now. So you have to either log in or sign up, so create the account. It is crucial because you will not be able to use any options provided with the Google Play Store. So just do it and then you can come back to the video. So simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check which we can download, which we can update. So basically find the app and mark it. Of course, you can mark all of them if you want to. If not, just pick those which you want and mark. After that, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really need to do anything more, just wait. Of course, you don't have to wait. Right here in this section you can just go out and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.